Hello again, Zach Johnson here, and in this video we are going to do the introduction to Google Adsense, how to make your first few dollars online. So Google Adsense. When you go to Google and you search for something and then you see Google advertisers all over the site, basically Google Adsense is being able to get those ads on your site and earning a commission every time someone clicks on those ads. And the best thing is that Google will basically look at the content on your site and find relevant advertisers. So all you need to do is place a line of code on your site. They do all the ad tracking, collecting all the payments, and then they'll send you a check at the end of the month for how much you earned. And here we can see, if we go to Google, we type in discount shoes. I've put arrows all over the place to all the different advertisers that are advertising on Google for the keyword term discount shoes. So if you created a site about discount shoes, you would probably get some of these advertisers on your site if you were using Google Adsense. So what does Google Adsense look like? This is what it looked like years ago. They've kind of transitioned away from it now, but as you can see, they make ads for all different types of sizes, from 728 to 90 to 125 by 125 button ads. You can see the bigger the placement, the more ads you'll have appear. And this is how we see Google Adsense on websites a lot more today. That middle one for portable wheelchair ramp, that one's actually contextual, so it's text-based. And the other ones are actually banners. So it doesn't look that much like Google AdSense, but they're still being served because advertisers can decide whether they want text-based ads or image-based ads. And websites can also approve what type of banners they want shown on their site. So do they only want to show text-based ads, or do they just want to show banner ads, or a mixture of both? And you can tell they're Google AdSense because on the top right, they have the Google AdSense logo. So does it cost any money to join Google AdSense? No, it doesn't, and it's free and they pay you to use the service. Do you need to live in the United States? This is a good question because so many affiliate programs are limited to only United States residents. But Google AdSense, since they're freaking huge in the search engines and they're getting a ton of traffic from everywhere in the world, they are also accepting affiliate sites from all around the world. So what do you need to get started? You're gonna wanna have a domain name, a good site, some good content, and traffic. Because Google's gonna come and look at your site, and if it looks like complete garbage, they're just gonna deny you, and you don't wanna start out on a bad track. You're gonna want some traffic because it's gonna be hard for you to make any money with Google if you don't have people coming to your site. And of course, you're gonna want good content. The good thing is, with Google AdSense, you don't need to worry about matching advertisers with your content because, as I mentioned, they're gonna place the code on your site and they're gonna track what type of content you have, and they'll automatically throw advertisers that are relevant to your content. So how much money can you make with Google AdSense? Some sites make a few dollars per day, some sites make a few cents a day, and some sites make thousands of dollars per day. It all depends on the content that you have on your site, what type of advertisers it's targeting, and of course how much traffic you have. But there's no limit. So how do you get paid from Google AdSense? In the past, Google used to only send out checks. Now they send out checks, they do electronic funds through transfers, and they also do Western Union Quick Cash. So they offer several different methods for sending payments out to their affiliates. And here's the infamous $132,000 check from my good friend, Jeremy Shoemoney. And you can actually see this and on his blog, or check out his full story when I interviewed him on my podcast, Rise of the Entrepreneur. You can see that at zachjohnson.com/episode 6. And he talks about how he created his first site and he was getting hundreds of thousands of people to his site every month. And all he had was a little banner on there for Google AdSense, and he ended up making $132,000 in 1 month. So if you go to Google and then you type in AdSense check and click on images, you're gonna see that a lot of people did the same thing that Jeremy did, most likely after reading his story. Because Google AdSense is so easy to make money with, all it takes is signing up to their program and then placing a code on your site. Then Google will start serving advertisers and you get paid just for getting any traffic to them. That is so simple, and people can make a few dollars to a few thousand a month if they're not monetizing their site or traffic in the first place. It's important to note that you can actually make a lot more money with your sites and traffic if you take the time to build new monetization methods. but this video is just to tell you that Google AdSense is one of the quickest and easiest ways to start making money with traffic to your site. And if you want to apply for Google AdSense, all you need to do is visit google.com/AdSense, click on the sign up now button. They're going to walk you through the process, and then when you get approved, you can place the code on your site, start serving banner ads all over. You want to blend it in with your content, and then you're going to be able to check stats on the back end. You're going to see how many impressions you're serving, what type of CPM you're getting, how much you're earning per click. And then if you hit the threshold at the end of the month, Google will send you a check. So check it out at google.com/AdSense. Thank you so much for watching this latest video. I know I cover a lot of topics and resources for you to work with, so I actually created a blogging resources page for you to go to and see everything in one simple area. You can access that page by going to blogging.org and clicking on the resources button, or you can simply go to blogging.org/resources. From here, you're going to see all of my recommended tools, solutions, basically everything I use to grow my website, blog, and business to what it is today. You're also going to see my latest courses on there as well, so be sure to check it out at blogging.org/resources, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.